Hello, I'm Rowan, and today we're going to be doing something different. First of all, I'm not using my voice changer at all. I'm just being me, and I'm trying to use Mr. R's throat properly to make noises, like other humans do. Anyhow, today I was going to show you how to clone blend shapes in Unity so that you can have number 1 avatar over here, number 2 avatar over there, and have it use all of the blend shapes that number 1 was using. So, we were going to go do that, but then this happened. Here we are. You can see there's my Rowan 1 VRM, and over there, there's a big red exclamation point over there. Why is that there? Let me show you. Well, applications built with this editor version have a known security issue. Update editor before publishing. Read more. Let's read more. I'd like to read more. And here we go. All right. Applications that were built using the affected version, yes, are susceptible to an unsafe file loading and local file inclusion attack. Real attack of GMO flat security found on October 2nd. It could allow local code execution and access to confidential information on end-user devices running Unity-built applications. So it's not a problem with the Unity itself. So long and the short of it is that if you use Unity to make a Unity app, well, it's saying that there's some vulnerability in the way that the application you made functions. So someone could have the ability to exploit your application that you make for someone and have it be hijacked. So if you're making an application using Unity, you definitely need to have these files updated. If not, well, it's a good thing to update anyway. So let's go and see how to update these apps. Overview, remediation options, rebuild with the patched Unity editor recommended, download latest release of Unity editor that matches the Unity version of your application from the Unity Hub or Unity Download Archive, open your project, rebuild, and retest your application. Okay. Ta-da! That's really all you gotta do. As someone who's just using these to build VRMs, you probably are not affected, but in case you are building these applications using Unity, then let's go over how to do this anyway, and it's always a good idea to upgrade stuff when you have to, so let's take a look. Sorry. That's some different stuff that I set up that we can take a look at later. But right now, so what do we need to do? Well, first of all, we need to download a new version of 22.3.11f1. Let's see, maybe we want to go over to installs. Yes. And really, can they not just put everything in the same place? Okay, so here we are. Let's scroll down to Unity 2022.3. I think that's the one that I had. Yeah, and this one's definitely got the security alert on it. And we want to manage that. So let's go over here to manage. And we could uninstall, but we don't want to do that. Instead, we want to go up here to install editor. And then, oh, there we go. 2022.3 LTS and 2021.3 LTS. We could install those. What do we have here? 2022.3.11f1. And, well, that's an LTS, so let's just do the LTS version. To get a better idea, let's go to Install Editor. And we're going to go to Archive. Visit our download archive. There we are. Now there's a page somewhere that has the... Hello? Where did it go? Oh, we have to click on the 2022. And then... Hello, where's the patches? I'm being dense, aren't I? Oh, there we go. So 2022 36F2. 2022 36F1 is bad. F2 is good. We're going to hit the install button and open Unity Hub. And holy crap, that's a lot of stuff. Oh, yeah, that's right. We don't care about Android. This is just for us. They're doing the stuff. We're just gonna go Unity Universal Platform Install. That's gonna take some time. See, it's got the little thing up there. It's got one download happening. 0 of 3 completed. What does it download? Documentation queued. Oh god, documentation takes forever. So now we're gonna wait for that to download. In the meantime, boop 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 boop. Yay! Install queued. Oh good. Oh good, the editor application. And you can see we have 6.2 already loaded. That's really all we're going to use, but we're downloading the other one just to show you. Okay. Oh, now we're installing. This is going to take some time. Oh, hey, there we go. It's complete. Yay. Okay. So now, what you gotta do is, these are the installs. Let's go to our projects. Okay, here we are in our projects. And that was 2022.3.11. And click on that. And we're going to go to 2022.3.62F2. Current platform. Whatever. And then we're going to load. Let me get out of the way. Let me get out of the way again. Are you sure you want to change the editor version of your project? If you change the editor version of your project, the scripts might change and the project library, we do want the scripts to change, by the way, might be rebuilt depending on the size of your project. This could take some time. Change version. Change version. I severely doubt. And Okay. Do you want to allow public and private network to access? No. That's fine. Now let me move this over here. Different version of Unity. Continue. Are you done yet? No, it's not done yet. Oh, there we go. Okay, so this is just another version of my model. Yeah, see? That's when I had my hair cut shorter. Yeah, so that's that. That's really all you got to do. Of course, your VRM stuff, the VRM1, the HANA tool, and all that stuff, that should all just work. It should, I swear. It worked for me. I don't know if it'll work for you or not, honestly speaking, but it should, because the avatar I'm using right now is one that I set up when I initially found these things happening and decided I needed to download and update my Unity. But really, that's how to do it. And I will eventually get a better voice, and we'll see about doing this again.